Okay, let's draw this one. You can get this template in the description below. Reduce the opacity to 10%, add a new layer and turn on drawing guide. I use Moonlight Swim brush to draw the frame. Okay, let's draw the frame. Do it one by one. Okay, I'll fast forward a bit. After that, add a new layer below it and turn off the drawing guide. I use Moonlight Swim brush to draw. Okay, let's draw this. Draw a circular motion like this and then draw it alternatively like this one. This looks like a maze. When drawing this one, use your shoulder to move your hand freely and smoothly. Okay, let's draw the last one. Okay, the basic shape done. Let's draw the second one. It also looks like the first one, but it has inner circle inside it. Okay, draw it one by one. Okay, now draw the second large circle and then draw the small circle like this, one by one. Now draw the fourth one. These four triangular spaces need to be equal. Now draw the third one. Don't forget that use your shoulder to move your hand freely. Okay, the fourth one. And now the last one. It's a little easy, okay? Okay, let's draw the last one. This one is a little bit tricky, so I use the 6-piece pencil for first sketch. Okay, draw the large circle like the basic shape. Now draw the second line like this to look like it has volume. Okay, draw the second one like this. Like this first one. These 5 triangular spaces need to be equal. Okay, now let's draw the third one. First draw the large one and then draw the small circle. Okay, it's okay when you're wrong, just use your 2 fingers to tap the screen to undo it. Okay, now draw the fourth circle. At first, when you draw, using your shoulder will get a little bit uncomfortable for you, but later you will get used to it and it will become easier. We now draw the last one. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, after the sketch, I add a new layer and reduces sketch opacity and then use monoline brush to outline it. Okay, let's draw. This design is inspired from the vines, so it has many branches. It has the main center large one and a small side branches. Okay, let's draw the second large circle. Keep in mind that the spaces between the vines need to be equally spaced. Okay, let's draw the third one. Okay, let's draw the fourth one. It is easy, right? You will get used to it using your shoulder later. The more you draw, the better lines quality you will get. Okay. Okay, now the last one. Okay, let's fill these 4 large spaces with small flowers. Okay, just draw some flower like this. The second one. The third one. And then for the fourth one. Okay. After you have finished your outline, use your script brush to draw some lines like this. Draw some lines and some dots to look like the vines are alive and connected to each other. Okay. After outline done, let's color the background layer. First, merge down all 3 layers and then make a new layer below it and make the outline as reference, and then choose selection 2, automatic color fade, and then I use red color. After that, tap the large spaces and it will automatically fill with red color. Okay, do it one by one. You can check out these finished pieces on my Facebook, link in description below. Okay, it's done. Bye bye.